We found an old Foxbody Mustang that's been sitting for at least 23 years. The friend of mine who called and told me about it said it had 13,000 miles on it. Judging by the plate, it's been a while since this thing's been moved. A long while. So we threw a fresh battery in, see if it would crank over at all. Hasn't been sat in probably in decades, I'd imagine. You could tell from all the old 1990 trash sitting in the floorboard. We're gonna meet up with our buddy Jim who bought the car, and we're gonna get it loaded up. But is it truly 13,000 miles? You be the judge.
So we're bringing my daughter on yet another pick. This is kind of what we do. My buddy down here in his shop. We're gonna go ahead and back up in there and try to get it out. Yeah, it was a little tough to get it in here. I forgot about so how hard it was. I hope it didn't mess my trailer up too much. Be all right. Here's another little shit box, huh?
Hi.
Hi. Look what we got in here. What's up, Jim? How we doing today?
Great.
So we got us another little parts car here, and Jim had said it was pretty much in rough condition.
Yeah, underneath it. It's got a lot of good stuff on it. All right, there's something, it's kind of cool.
All right, what you got? 13,000? I don't know about that.
Well, come on, you got to show the people, is it real 13,000 or is it not? It's kind of cool. How many of these cars still have the alternator guard on them?
You're right. How many's got the coil bracket?
Yeah. This car, so this guy got sick.
Okay.
And he parked it in it was like a semi-truck repair yard.
Okay.
15 or so years, he ended up passing away, and the mother and the brother ended up kind of getting all the stuff that he had. He had a bunch of Foxes apparently at some point. This one ended up getting parked in this yard, and it just sat. Another friend of mine, he went and looked at this car, and he was like, dude, it's rough. It'd be a good parts car, but it's rough.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay.
Cars have been sitting like this for a long time.
Yeah, and it was a gravel yard.
Oh,
so
yeah.
I mean, it's pretty fugly underneath. But I have another battery here, and I put the battery in last night, and it turns over.
You want to turn it over?
Yeah, I guess.
This had been sitting for so long, the paint beat it down the primer.
This is all primer. I've never seen one of these cars straight to the primer and like all primer.
Yes, that's been sitting a long time.
Yeah.
13,000.
Oh, now you're not gonna turn for me?
Uh-oh.
No way. Aha. Lights?
Look at that. Didn't catch on fire yet. Listen to that lifter tap. So this is the type of build that, like, if you were to find this in the field, like, some of the first things they would do to it is, number one, change the oil. Mm-hmm. Number two, prime the motor.
Absolutely.
Put a new filter in it. I bet you this motor would fire right up if I did that.
I bet it would run on a little bit of starting fluid.
Yeah, but you definitely fuel filter, tank, all that gas stuff.
It has 3 of the 4 door
Dead.
plugs in it.
Does it?
They're always melted.
Yeah, man. This is definitely.
I mean, it's got a lot of good stuff. It has the original spark plug wires on it.
They dated too.
Yeah. And it's a 90.
Damn.
Kind of interesting.
It is kind of interesting, to be honest with you. Been sitting a long time. Guy got sick. What year is it? 91?
10 of 89.
Oh yeah, because here's one thing how you know it's a 90. Seat headrests, rear console delete.
Is that like a standard 90?
That is the only 90 stuff. That's different.
Really? Okay.
That.
I didn't know that.
Now what else is 90 on them? Door panels. Are the only one they can you can remove the tweed. Now if you look at if you look at a 91 to 93, they're built into the door panels. They're part of the vinyl.
Okay, all right, I can see.
So 90 only has the delete and has the door panels that have the tweed.
Isn't there something different about the harness, the engine harness?
Yes.
A placement of what, like a fuel pump relay?
So the 90 is the last year that they had the 2 plugs, the black and the gray.
Okay.
90 has its own headlight harness. They share the same injector harness in O2.
Yeah.
But engine harness, dash harness, headlight harness are very specific for that year only.
I actually watched the video that you posted about that.
So 99, now they do share the same body harness with 91. But in '92, you know, they moved the fuel pump relay out here.
Why? Why Ford?
I don't know.
You got like 5 more years to run this car from. Like,
Right.
Just leave them the freaking same.
Yeah. So I don't know why they did the delete. I don't know why they did the
trees.
I don't know why they did the console delete and not anything
How about
else.
these sick drag lights?
Oh yeah, these are old school.
Come on. Look at those wing foots. Goodyear wing foots.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even see that.
Some monster tires, 245. 60.
This is old, man. Can I ask? I know what we did a deal on. Now these people always try to say, "Oh, I can't get any deals or whatever." Can I ask you what you actually paid for it?
$1,700.
So you made a handful, couple dollars on it.
You know,
And what did they say to you? They say, "Hey, come pick it up right now," or was it
no?
an
Actually,
auction?
this has literally been a couple months in the making.
You said you were in the trenches, so I want to know what that means.
Randy messaged me, and I talked to the guy, and he was like, "I need to get you the address. We still got to get the title for, because that title just got printed."
Okay.
Like they had to do a bunch of transferring. It's been a bunch of time. Then he thought he sent me the address, and it took like 2 or 3 weeks. He finally went back to our message thinking, what's going on with this dude? He's like, I never sent it. It was sitting in the message, never sent.
Oh,
so
man.
it's just 2 weeks old, going to get cars.
Look at that. That's trash from the 90s.
Oh yeah, look at the McDonald's back down there. That is
I want to go straight from the
early
90s.
2000s.
Might even have the winner of the Monopoly thing that they promised.
So
me.
the car that you, the car that you messaged me on, the car that Reese and I listed, was taken off the road in 2002.
Oh my God.
This car was taken off the road in 2002. Both black 5-liter 5-speed GTs.
Same guy, different people.
They're completely different people with no relation whatsoever.
I'm in the trenches, dog.
It's hilarious. I mean, it's just, but a car like this helps other cars stay on the road.
Yes, yes. I mean, because there would be, you would almost have to take this down to like pieces and parts and bolts to just get rid of the 20. When cars sit, it's just as bad, unless they're in heated.
Yeah.
And they spend a lot of money to store them and put them in a bubble. If they sit out in the yard, they're going to gain moisture.
Sitting in the middle of a gravel parking lot, surrounded by old semi trucks and engines just sitting on the ground, just
forgotten.
I mean, the guy passed away.
A forgotten Foxbody. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this loaded. I appreciate Jim for showing me this car, and we're gonna go get the man paid. But what do you think? This is what happens with cars. They sit and they rot.
Yeah, and you know what? Maybe,
literally, even the paint.
Maybe you find some of that tan car, 60,000-mile Arizona car.
Yeah, that was beautiful.
Off the bottom of it.
I mean, even though it's Coyote swap, nobody's gonna.
No. Oh no.
Oh, that one's not the Coyote swap.
No, that one's gone.
That one, you sold it?
I sold it, unfortunately.
What's wrong with you?
I had second kid.
Oh, right there.
And I drove it.
Right.
I drove it 2 times. This is 1984 8Q Desert Tan.
Desert Tan. The other one was French Vanilla.
The other one was French Vanilla.
Look at this thing. Good Lord.
Fresh engine bay jobby.
What would something like this cost somebody to get? If they was to walk in.
To buy this car?
They're to walk into your shop right now with the money.
12.
That's a good price.
I would.
Hey, somebody might see it. Somebody might see that.
Now, that car is one that's going somewhere.
The Fairmont?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Show your Windsor people that.
It's the Windsor people.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is the race car that was a race car, and they destroyed it, and I brought it back.
I love it. You gonna do something with it?
Yeah, there's a B-cam small block in it right now.
B-cam, baby. That's so cool.
Hey,
So after doing a deal with Jim, it was time to get the car loaded up on the trailer. We had forgotten our winch at home, but that's all right. Jim had a Pontiac wagon sitting right behind it. Who says we can't load it with that?
Sometimes you just gotta
use the old Pontiac.
use the old Pontiac. Let her rip, tater chip. Come on. Oh. Now one scratch. I don't know how many times I've went on vacations in a vehicle just like this.
It's got the backwards back seat too. Great for driving.
Hey, not a mark on it.
Love it.
Good job. Thank you, brother.
A for effort. I'm a big plate guy.
So he wasn't lying. 2002. Look at that. The plate has been wore out. It's like the paint.
We're not quite sure what we're going to do with the 13K Foxbody, but we're definitely going to try to get it running. Got an opportunity to check out Jim's Fairmont, and for my Windsor guys, this is budget horsepower right here, but we'll show you this in another video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Check out that join button, become a member of the channel. Consider subscribing if you haven't. I love y'all. We'll see you in the next video.